Welcome to John Berlin. This is John Berlin, and today in our very first lesson, we'll be doing the German alphabets. Now, German is a phonetic language. If we get to know the sounds of the German alphabets, we can very well be able to read any text whatsoever. So without further ado, let's get started. So we begin with A, which has the sound of A, Apfel. A umlaut, which has the sound of A, Bär. So A umlaut is a special character. Yes, perfect. B has the sound of B, Buch. C, sound of C, Slam. D, Drucker. A, Elefant. F, Frosch. G, Gitarre. H, Hund. Now be careful with the I. In German, I is like E. Eagle. Yacht. Yacht. J in English becomes yacht. It makes the sound of ya. Yogurt. K, grapes. L, Lupe. M, Mücke. N, Nagel. O, orange. Now we have a special character, O umlaut. The two dots you see on top are called umlaut. O umlaut. Löwe. Yes, how do we pronounce this? Löwe. Ö. Löwe. Perfect. P, Puta. Q, Quadrat. Now, R in German is a strong letter. It's pronounced like AR. So we'll not pronounce this like bear. We'll rather say it Bär. Perfect. Bär. All right. Moving on to S in English becomes Z in German. It makes the sound of Z. That means this would be sechs, the number 6. Sechs. Perfect. Now we again have a special character. It's called SZ. It's like a double S, and it makes the sound of a sharp S, like Straße. Straße. Perfect. Then we have T, Tomate. We have U, Uhr. We have U umlaut, again a special character. Ü, yes, pronounce it like Ü, and it's Gemüse. Perfect. We have a special, we have V for victory in English. It's pronounced like V in German. So there's a special sound here. V is V, like fur. In the famous car company, Volkswagen, people's car, Volkswagen. Very good. Then we have W is like W, Weintrauben. Fantastic. Then we have X, Saxophone. Now we have Y. There's an exclamatory sound at the beginning of this alphabet. Yes, it differentiates itself from yacht a little. Yacht is like ya. This is ear. Yes, like the word yacht. Yacht. Perfect. Y. Now the last character is in English you call it Z. In Deutsch it's Z. Z. And the word is zebra. So you need to pronounce the T and the S in order to pronounce Z. So you'll hear me say zebra. I don't say zebra, but zebra. Fantastic. So these were the German alphabets. You could rewind the video and again listen to the pronunciations because they're very important. If we get the pronunciations right, we can very well read any German text. Now, one little pointer, we had some special character I would like to read with you. Umlaut is A, O umlaut is Ü, U umlaut is Ü. Yes. So if you want, you could practice this. It takes a little while, but I hope you'll get it. Perfect. So see you in the next lesson. Signing off, German with John Berlin. Bye-bye.